Hello guys, how are you doing? Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to share a very simple and effective stretch mark removal cream you can make and apply on that stubborn stretch mark, and with consistency it will clear them. Yes, you heard me, it will clear them, and this is a natural cream you can come up with yourself. Okay, so let's get started. Get unrefined shea butter, then you add python fat. Okay, then this is vitamin A capsules. You're going to be adding them into the mixture of the python fats and the shea butter. Then the next thing you're going to add is vitamin E oil. Then you're going to mix this until it becomes creamy and fluffy. So guys, this stretch mark removal cream is very effective, and it's a natural cream that doesn't have any form of side effect. So this is a simple cream and yet effective cream you can come up with, okay, by yourself and start applying it. Okay, so with consistency using the cream, it's going to fade that stretch mark. Like, it's going to gradually fade that stretch mark, provided you are consistent, massaging this stretch mark removal cream on the areas you have stretch mark. Okay, so it's very effective. I know why I'm saying this. Okay, so this will help hydrate that area, you know when you're massaging it with this cream on a regular basis. Okay, so this is a homemade stretch mark removal cream, okay, that is so effective. So if you have stubborn stretch mark, this cream, okay, is what you want to make and start using. Okay, you're going to be using this cream like 2 times or even 3 times a day, okay, depending on how free you are. Okay, so if you go out, you can just apply it, massage it on your skin for some few minutes, then you go out. Then at night, once you have your bath, you apply it. So make sure that this cream is being applied on a clean damp skin. So you're going to be adding dry plantain peel powder. Okay, so just mix and incorporate the plantain peel powder. So plantain peel powder is also a very effective ingredient, okay, that helps to fade stretch mark. Okay, so these ingredients that are combined here are very effective, stretch mark ingredient put together that will actually fade even the most stubborn stretch marks. So after mixing and combining, you're going to add turmeric powder. Okay, then you're going to mix very well. So like I said earlier, these ingredients put together are so effective, okay, to clearing even the most stubborn stretch marks. Okay, so if you have those dark stretch marks, okay, know that with consistent use of this cream is going to clear it. Okay, so mix and mix very well. So after mixing, this is what we have. So as you guys can see, this is just easy to come up with. Okay, very easy to come up with, and the ingredients, okay, can be easily found. Okay, it's not something that you search and search. No, so the ingredients are readily available. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.